Hello, I'm Mark McCloskey with Kyntronics, and I'm here to show you a little bit more about our compact servo power unit here on the demo table. So the compact servo power unit offers a servo motor coupled to a gear pump, basically moves fluid in either direction to extend and retract the rod. This unit can be paired with any traditional hydraulic cylinder, such as stainless steel, a painted one, as well as a nickel plated, or any rotary hydraulic motor as well. So with our device, there's a lot of advantages. One being it's servo power on demand, so energy savings, as well as there's no external filters, no external manifold, or no external valving needed. With our system, it's easily servo controlled, so any type of PLC can communicate to the device, as well as there's integrated position sensors as well as force sensors as well for pressure feedback. With that being said, we could do position control with force limiting, or force control. So there's a couple different options that we have. If you want to dive into more details or review any of the advantages, feel free to contact us at kyntronics.com. Thank you.